In this video I will show you how to change your sewing needle in your sewing machine. The process is very simple, to be honest, and very fast. The reason why you want to change your sewing needle could be because you are starting to work with different fabric or your needle broke. Whatever it is, now you will know how to do it. Changing your needle for a sewing machine is not a difficult thing. If your needle is in the same position as mine, not being exposed, you have to spin the hand wheel to bring it up as you can. Next thing would be unscrewing this side part and holding onto the needle, because you will start feeling it loosening up. And once you can pull it out, you'll just take it out. To put in a new needle, you bring a new needle, you check the back side, the flush side, and you make sure it's facing backwards. So you want to be looking at the round part of the needle. You slide it up as much as you can, and then you fasten it in the place as tight as you can, because you don't want your sewing needle to jump out during sewing. And that's it.